Why should you use a China sourcing agent? Well, even though you must pay a China sourcing agent a commission based on the cost of your inventory, we can save you both money and time. Now, establishing contact and building trust with a Chinese factory is not easy because most large manufacturers are not willing to work with random buyers. You must establish the relationship first. Now, be a good sourcing agent will already has close ties with many different factories. Combine new manufacturers that would normally not give you the time of day. In addition, many top tier suppliers can't be found on Alibaba, and in some cases, the best suppliers online can only be assisted by a native China sourcing agent with established ties. Now, here are the main benefits of using a China sourcing agent. We can help you to pre-screen factories to approach your products, negotiate a price on your behalf, communicate with the factories if you don't speak Chinese, perform quality control and inspections, find low-cost free forwarders to ship your goods. And even if you already have reliable suppliers for your business, you should pray and reach out to new factories to make sure that you are getting the best price. Now, it's also beneficial to have backup suppliers in place in case of production or product shortage. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and leave a message and contact us. This is Bella, your business partner in China.